How's it going? For the new people out there, my name is Lex, and in this video I'll show you how I rig everything for my drone. I'm just gonna show you a quick rig that you can use, so bear with me. I'm gonna get my lines and hooks and we get started. Alright, what you see here is a few stuff like the Hayabusa 3.0 hook. It's a straight hook. I'm gonna use this one because I will use Alf Pili together with this needle. For you can see it. Make it double. It's gonna look as sort of a figure 8. Trim the excess. This is pretty much the length I'm gonna use it. Twist a few times. Nice and easy. That's it. This will hold enough, and as you can see, you have a straight line. Trim the tug, and here you have it. And this is a trap that I'm gonna use it with my drone. So this is the one that goes to the main line. I'm gonna attach a clip swivel here with about a meter of line for my drone. This is for the sinker. Right? Clip the sinker on. This one here, it's pretty moving freely, and that's what I want. Just attach the hook, and there you have it. It's you can call it like a short paternoster single hook. Now, if I need to change the hook, let's take this out. You can make few of them with different type of hook, with smaller leader, with triple hook. So I'm gonna get ready with a few of this. I'm gonna put in here, and that's all I need. So I don't have to carry with me too many things. So after you've done this, here comes the beauty. This is the needle I'll show you before. Now this one, you take a Pili. You can actually use the whole thing, it doesn't matter. Here's your bite. This is how it's working. You put the loop in it. You stick this into your fillet, Pili, Alf Pili, whole Pili, whatever. And then you slide all the way to the end. It's gonna be straight and beautiful. So that's my choice for next fishing adventure. Of course, this is something that you can even use for normal beach fishing. That's gonna be up to you. Sometimes I do this like about a meter with the sinker at the bottom, and I make this short, like 300 or something like that. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.